Welcome to VAK's lecture. In this video, we will discuss about the operating system. You must have heard of Windows, Linux, Mac OS, and Android. What are these? All these are the operating systems. And in this video, we will discuss what is an operating system and also we will catch a few goals about operating system. So, at first, what is an operating system? Operating system is a system software that acts as an interface between the user and the computer hardware and controls the execution of all kinds of program. In a simpler words, operating system is a mediator between the user and the machine or hardware. And hardware is more complex one. We can directly interact with the hardware using the machine language, but it is not the effective or efficient way. Let us consider an example of fan. We can use the fan on different speed. This can be done directly using or manipulating the wires. But manipulating or making changes in the wiring each time is not an efficient way. But with the help of buttons or with the help of speed knobs, we can do it easily and efficiently. Same is the case with the hardware also. In a computer, we have different hardware. There is memory, processor, input-output devices. If we say that we want to interact with all these hardware directly, then we need to write the program for each of the hardware. Definitely, this will not be an efficient way of doing things. So, as we saw in the example, as speed knobs or buttons work, similar to that operating system works. It makes the interaction of user and the hardware easy and efficient. That's the reason we use an operating system as an interface between the user and the hardware. Now we will see some of the goals of an operating system. The operating system must be user-friendly. What's the meaning of that? It means any user using the operating system must find it easy to interact with the operating system. For example, we need to print a file and there are two operating systems. In one operating system, you need to type a command to execute the printing. And in other operating system, you need to select the file and click a print button. People who have the knowledge about the command can select the first operating system. But majority of the people will select the second operating system. As working with the graphical user interface is more easy than the typing the command. So this must be the first goal of an operating system. That is, it must be user-friendly. When the operating system is efficient one, if the operating system must give maximum output with minimum input, then that operating system is an efficient one. The operating system must also use the resources efficiently. It should be fast and also secured one. If you got to learn from this video, please like, share, subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.